Hey everyone, thank you for checking in on Park Ranger Dawn. We just checked into the National Park Inn in Mount Rainier and I wanted to give you a look around our room. We have a queen bed, I believe, and we're on the second floor in room 22. It's not a giant room, but it is a historic lodge, so you kind of expect that. One great thing about the room though is it does have its own bathroom. There are rooms here at the National Park Inn that share a bathroom. So when you make a reservation, you definitely want to double check whether or not it has a private bath or is a shared bathroom. They do provide robes and slippers if you do share a bathroom and have to walk down the hall, but just something to be aware of. Like I said, we're on the second floor. This hotel is located in the Longmire district, so it's the historic district on your way to Paradise. There's an epic view of the mountain from the front lawn or rocking chairs, and we will let you know if you check Park Ranger John how everything goes while staying here.